Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. It's going to be drinking. It's going to be smoking. It's going to be swearing. You have been warned, so don't complain to me in the comments about it. So look. Here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes, indeed. All right. And so, naturally, we have a great show for you today. So, we're going to talk about OX. OX announces important updates. So we're going to talk about technical updates. They got some good updates. Which makes their blockchain better. So look, we're going to talk about that. And then we're going to talk about VeChain, bang, crosses a milestone. And we are going to talk about that milestone and what it means and all that good stuff like that. All right. Then, sorry there. And then finally, boom, we're going to get our June CME futures numbers. Yes. Why are you always talking about the futures? Guys, that's our liquidity. That's our money coming. And so the CME is the big one that's doing it now. But as we know later this month, we've got BACT coming online. We've got ARSX coming online. We've got all these others. So I just want to give you a flavor of things to come. Yes, your money's coming, brother. Look, bang. Don't get angry because I'm showing it to you. Look, let's begin how we begin. Look, bang. Look, bang. Yes. All right, what are we working with here? 11.3. All right, 11.358. Then you know how we do around these parts. You do a little refresh. Let's see what we got. All right, 11.429. You refresh. You never know with Bitcoin, right? Fucking thing could be at like 20 grand by now or something. All right, so look. Today we are at 11.429, $11,429. And last night when I left you, we were at $10,915, which gives us, what do we got there? What was that? 1,500 or $500 around there somewhere. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects of the day, brothers and sisters. Look. You know I'm always thinking of you ladies. Yes. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Binance Coin, Tether, Bitcoin SV, and bang, Tron. Ooh, Tron takes over the number 10 once again. All right, what do we got today? Market moves of the day. Well, the usual, single digits up, 2 single digits down. Single digits up. Let's have some beverage. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. All right. Let's look at the top 10 losers of the day, brothers. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it's on sale. Look. Yeah, it's not much of a sale today. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Dent, Ren, Aurora, Maximind Coin, Mixin, Ardor, Educare, Dogecoin, Ravencoin, and Stratus. All right, top 10 wins of the day, brothers. Boom. Whoa, look at you. Oh, that's that Walton Chain thing. Didn't we talk about them the other day? About something, right? So look, top 10 wins of the day, brothers. Walton Chain, Quant, Solve, Clippercoin, Bytem, Nulls, Nex, Energy, Monero, and Crypto.com. Bang. Monero's up there. That's pretty funny. Considering, Monero today, we're not going to talk about it, but Monero found some flaws in their system where hackers could have stolen Moneros right off of exchanges. They fixed it now, but so look, let's look at the total market cap of the day, brothers. What are we at? 324.9. 324.9 in total market cap. $324 billion in total market cap. 324.9. And yesterday we were at 312. So that's a $12 billion jump in our total market cap. And let's look at our 24-hour volume. 70.9 today. 70.9 in market cap today, volume today. And yesterday we were at 74.6. So we actually went down in 24-hour volume, yet up in total market cap. So, good stuff. Some people came and bought some stuff. All right. It's pretty basic. Look. All right. Let's get to the stories, brothers. Look, brothers. Bang. Ox. Altcoin news. Ox. It's a 0. It's not an X. Look, man, if you're going to spell your shit like that, I'm going to call it like that. What do you want me to say? 0X? Fuck all that. Ox. That's what you're getting. Look. Don't try to make it hard for me to say it. So look. Ox ecosystem announces important technical updates. Wow. Let's see what those updates are, shall we, brothers? Yes, let's proceed. Whoa. Excuse me. I went down the wrong hole. Whoa. All right, guys. Whoa. According to the latest report published in Ox blog on July 4, 2019, the Ox team. Oh my gosh. The Ox team themselves and its ecosystem projects, excuse me, have had a busy month. Most of the developments are related to software improvement on Ox exchanges. However, they're not limited to them. All right. Although internal, the first ever Ox hackathon. Although internal, the hackathon held by Ox in June still was the first for the project. The project strongly believes that such hackathons can benefit Ox, with the team members experimenting and exploring new ideas in an open environment. During the hackathon, several software pieces were developed. The most interesting ones include the Ox order book visualizer and something called Clippy, an Ox extension contract. The full hackathon results can be found here. And so, you guys know I post the links to every single story I read you guys in the description of this video, right? So, I mean, if you really want to know all about it, you can go there, go to my video, and the link is there, and then you can press here, boop, and it'll show you all about Clippy. Oh, my bad. It'll show you about the full hackathon results. Oh, you're going to get it all. Yeah, so boop, click that, and there you go. Okay, guys? All right. June also saw the introduction of the second version of the Ox launch kit. Thanks to the changes made to this toolkit's front-end templates, it allows businesses or developers to create and launch a marketplace in extremely short amounts of time. All right. So both back-end and front-end packages, including new React UIs, have been combined into a single Docker image. More technical information can be found here. And so you can press that right there and boop, off you go. So another important development in the Ox ecosystem that happened in June was the launch of MPX Exchange, the first one utilizing Market Protocol. It is aimed at allowing traders, hedgers, and investors to profit from cryptocurrency market volatility. That's how it usually works. Bas Bauman, head of business strategy at Market Protocol, explained, Market Protocol enables users to mint tokenized derivative assets. Oh, what? What? For example, tokenized positions in Apple shares, yen, or even leveraged relationships like 2x short Bitcoin. Smart contracts enforce the token rules, so there's no counterparty risk, and tokens are ERC20s, so they can trade on any crypto exchange. Are they saying you can tokenize your own shit? That's what right? It says users, it says right here, it enables users to mint tokenized derivative assets. All right. So look, First contract on we're going to read down here. I didn't highlight it, but let's just read it. The first contract on MPX exchange is Bitcoin DAI. There are two tokens: short Bitcoin DAI, SBTC, those who bought its profit when Bitcoin's prices plunged, and long BTC DAI, LBTC, traders who bought in profit when Bitcoin prices grows. More tokens will be available, will be added in the future. So there you go, Ox. Look, Ox hodlers. Boom. Got a bunch of technical updates. Bang. What'd you get here? You did a hackathon. Nice. Bang. And you got a new kit. Bang. Yes. And your market exchange, or the exchange with the market protocol. Bang. MPX exchange with the market protocol. Bang. Where users can mint tokenized derivatives. Well, that's interesting right there. Look. So, Ox hodlers. Bang. There you go. All right. Bang. Now VeChain hodlers. Yes, and that's all of you guys. Everybody owns VeChain on this channel. So look, VeChain crossed a milestone on heels of collaboration with Walmart China. Yes, indeed. So look. VeChain, a platform that helps consumers and retailers authenticate products, just crossed an adoption milestone. It posted a record-breaking statistic on the VeChain Thor blockchain on Thursday, hitting 1 million clauses. The 1,101,530 clauses was double the amount reported on January 7th, which was 505,563 clauses. Yeah, so doubled up. They're doubling up. The figure represents an increase in activity on its blockchain. According to VeChain, a transaction can have many clauses, which are pretty much transactions bundled inside a transaction. Example, transaction A can have 50 recipients. So that would be one transaction, 50 clauses, meaning there are 50 transactions bundled within one mother transaction. All right. So earlier this year, the mainnet also recorded its highest number of transactions in a single day at 115,879. And so that's the number right there, the mainnet records. All right. So as a leader in the supply chain logistics space that aims to revolutionize how data is reported, stored, and transferred, VeChain has forged a number of consumer-facing collaborations, including partnerships with Chinese consumer electronics giant Haier, leading Italian wineries, and most recently with Walmart China. Yes, indeed. Walmart China will use VeChain's Thor blockchain to track food through its supply chain, solving the real-world challenge of identifying and eliminating fake or tainted goods on a large scale. All right, we all know about the Walmart thing, so let's move on. And then this is more Walmart stuff, so let's move on. VeChain says it is also kicking off the first phase of its buyback plan. So you know VeChain's about to buy back 25 million of VeChains. Anyway, the first phase of its buyback plan totaling 25 million of its native cryptocurrency VET. The buyback is part of the company's strategy to provide more financial support for projects to operate on the VeChain Thor blockchain. Over the next quarter, VeChain will purchase no less than $5 million worth of VeChain VET from the open market. So taking them off the market, scarcity. All VET acquired will be sent to a public address for transparency. All right. As more corporate players enter the digital economy to leverage the speed and efficiency of the blockchain-based infrastructure to move data, the company also wants to position VET as a store of value. Store of value. Yes. Another major issue that VeChain aims to tackle with the introduction of this plan is to explore the feature of VET being used as smart money and store of value within the VeChain ecosystem and the ecosystem of our affiliations. VeChain has been endeavored to establish VET as a value transfer medium, as well as a store of value to enable rapid value circulation within the ecosystem. So there you go. And here is, there's also a video down here, how to use VeChain app to verify authenticity. So it looks like this guy, so you know VeChain hooked up with the expensive wine guys in Italy, right? So it looks like this guy is buying a bottle of the wine Well, let's just take a look. This guy's buying the wine right here. And he takes the bottle. What does he do here? Scanning it. Oh, and there it is. And it tells him all about his bottle of wine. All right, yeah, we're not going to watch the whole thing, but just, yeah, that's how, there it is. That's that authenticity. Okay, so that's how it works. Boom, you just scan your stuff and know that your stuff's authentic. All right, cool. So, but VeChain, bang, look. Yes, the Milestone, those transactions, yeah, because now that VeChain is deployed with the Walmart China thing, that's what you're doing. That guy scanned his wine. But people also can scan. I showed you guys the thing in the article, right? Like, you can actually just scan your, you scan your food right at the grocery store, and it tells you, right at Walmart, and it tells you where the food came from, who made it, and all this. So that's how the Milestone came about, and so, bang, there you go, guys. Yeah, just thought I'd bring it up. New Milestone. But also, this is cool. I like how where VeChain's going with this now. And this is kind of, you guys knew about you guys know about the Walmart thing, but I like this part here. Now they want to, aims to tackle within, they plan to be a smart money and a store of value. So now they're getting into this cryptocurrency part as being a store of value. Right. So that's kind of interesting. Let's see where they take that. And if it's any indication, it'll probably go far. So look. And then finally, bang. June sets record for CME Bitcoin futures as sign-ups surge 30%. So I know we've been talking about the CME a lot lately. I think this is like the third story in the past 2 weeks. But it's an indication. The reason I'm reading so many of them is that BACT is coming online. ARSX is coming online. A couple of these other futures are coming online. The 1.6 is coming online over there in Switzerland, right? And so I just like, I like to, if these guys are having such a surge all the time, well, that tells you there's room for everybody. And remember this, is that these guys, the CME futures, these ones are cash settled futures. So while it brings us liquidity to the market, it doesn't help us with the prices, right? Because it doesn't take any Bitcoins off the market. Right, the people get paid in cash after the contract when they settle their contract, right? And so it doesn't help us in terms of money, but helps us in terms of liquidity. But the better thing is, why I like to look at it is, we have all those futures that are going to come online within the next few months, and if this is any indication of the interest, the institutional investor interest, well, look. Like I said, November, December, we should be flying real nice and real high. And only up from there. We'll see. I mean, it could happen sooner. I don't know. These guys seem to be taking their sweet time on everything around here. All right, look. June sets records for CME Bitcoin futures as sign-ups surge 30%. Oh, yeah. That's how we like it. Surge, baby, surge. Look. CME Bitcoin producers. Hold on. Producers. CME Bitcoin futures product is continuing to show signs of increased popularity, with June setting a new record. Bang! Yes, a new record for open interest amid a surge of new account signups. There's a surge. They want their hands on this stuff. They want to get their hands on this stuff bad. That's why when I tell you guys you're going to be rich, I'm not just guessing. I'm not just saying that just to say it. Like just, because I want viewers or some bullshit or I'm blowing sunshine. I mean it. There's a tsunami of money coming. A tsunami. These guys are clawing, kicking, and scratching. Luck. To come bring you their money. Yes. So look, brothers, More than 2,960 accounts have traded CME Group's Bitcoin futures across all client types and time zones since launch, according to new data from the derivatives marketplace. In 2019 alone, there has been more than 950 new accounts created, marking a 30% increase in total client signups, CoinDesk has learned. In addition, the number of large open interest holders, entities that hold contracts worth at least 25 Bitcoin, worth 280,000 at press time, grew to 49, up from an average of 46 during the last week of June, a new record. So they got some whales up in there. Wow. 25 Bitcoin isn't whalish. I read this thing today. Some whale bought, what do you buy? I think it was like 115,000 Bitcoin or something. And everyone was like, whoa. Probably bought it OTC, right? Probably some guy ready to set up a futures or a ETF or something. Also of note, open interest is up in all 4 expiries, meaning CME Group is creating a forward curve for the crypto markets so that investors can better manage price, according to a company spokesperson. Okay. And here's the CME Bitcoin futures daily open interest since launch. And there it is. That's just a straight, nice uptrend like a mofo right there. That's a sweet piece of trending right there. So look, as shown in the chart above. Oh, okay. We'll read it while we look at the chart. As shown in the chart above, open interest in CME's BTC futures has been steadily on the rise, up to a record-breaking 6,069 contracts toward the end of June, and demonstrating a strong demand. Yes. Open interest refers to the total number of outstanding derivatives contracts that have not been settled and thus are open. You know how a futures contract works, right? It usually lasts for a period of time. And then, I guess they can close them when they want, right? I'm pretty sure. But it says they're open. They have a lot of open interest. So it could be a sign that the traditional finance industry is taking a greater interest in crypto. It's not could be a sign, motherfucker. What more do you need? Could be taking an interest? Look at that line, motherfucker. What does that tell you? Crypto sites. It could be a sign. It is a sign that traditional finance industry is taking a greater interest in crypto, says Gareth McLeod, partner at Griffin Labs, an open source framework for algorithmic trading in cryptocurrency markets. He told CoinDesk, it's most likely traders in the traditional finance industry using CME to take a long position off of news about Libra. Who knows why they're doing it? I don't think it's news about Libra. I think it's news that because they know their boys are coming. Yeah, they know there's a tsunami of money coming. And so they're opening some interests. Opening some contracts. You're not flipping stupid. Oh, I only wish I could. So, given traditional finance apprehension towards crypto. All right, hold on. Given traditional finances apprehension toward crypto, mainly due to its wild price swings, futures contracts offer stability, reliability, and reduced risk when it comes to operating large portfolios. Exactly. A futures contract, you lock in the price, right? So that's how they use it, right? Like I've explained it here 100 times to you guys about the soybeans, right? If I'm a farmer, or if I'm a company and I make tofu or soy milk, right? Well, I need soybeans. So I tell a farmer, look, you got 1,000 acres of soybeans? All right, man, I'll buy those $100 an acre. I'll take all your acres, right? So you give him $100,000 up front. So say he plants his fields in January. So you pay him up front in January, the $100,000, and that allows him to operate, do his stuff, operating costs, pay his workers, do all that, do it all. And then say in April, when the beans are ripe and they're ready to be harvested, he harvests them, and sends them to you. That's why it's called a futures contract, because you pay now, but you get your stuff in the future, right? Whereas in the spot market, we get our stuff right now on the spot, right? Not in the future. When I buy Bitcoin, I get it right now, this very second. right? Instantly, right? So look, yes, there you go. And so that's what futures contracts do, right? They give these guys, stability. Here as it says, right? Stability, reliability, and reduced risk. Because, yeah, if I'm a soybean farmer, a soybean milk producer, I make soybean milk. Well, now I know I've already locked in the price. I've paid for it. So even if the price of soybeans skyrocket, it doesn't matter to me. I've already paid for my soybeans, and that's it. I don't have to pay anymore. So imagine that farmer. He paid me. I paid him. How much did I pay him? $100 an acre for his $100 an acre for his soybeans, right? Well, if the soybean price goes up to $120 an acre, yeah, it doesn't matter. I've already paid him. That I've locked in the price, so it's stable and reliable, and I know how much, soy milk I'll make and all that. Blah, 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 it helps the business. So look, professional traders and large financial institutions also prefer to operate through a familiar platform rather than through a traditional crypto exchange due to interoperability and familiarity with their own Bloomberg terminals. Exactly. Bloomberg terminal. I can't express it enough. I think I've said it to you a few times in the past couple of weeks. That's what made me come into this market. When I saw Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash on the Bloomberg terminal, I said, look. Bang! I understand now. I'm a market guy. I know what that means. Here come the killers. So look, I had to come here before they got here. Bang, bang, build my warehouse and be waiting for them. Yes, we've been expecting you, brothers. Look. So, the Bloomberg terminal, I cannot express how important that is. It's worldwide, right? So everyone worldwide gets to trade Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. And these are big institutions. A Bloomberg terminal costs $315,000 to buy. Google Bloomberg terminal. Yeah, go look at one. Yeah, it costs $31,000 a month for the subscription. Yes, a month. Not a year, a month. Yes. Look, brothers. And that's why when you see Bitcoin on something like that, well, that tells you all you need to know. That means the big boys are about to get unleashed. Yo. All right, so what are we talking about here? The futures contracts. Yes. So, and the price of Bitcoin. Bang. So, look. Record June for the CME futures, Bitcoin futures contracts. And that shows us that the institutional investors are hungry. They are hungry, and they want to get in here. They want to buy your goods. So that's why I'm telling you. That's why you got to accumulate every paycheck. Oh, every paycheck. You better put a little bit away. Put a little bit in your cryptocurrency warehouse. Buy more crypto. Bang. Store it away until these guys get here. Until they get here. And they're about to get here. I told you, November, December. Oh, man. We're going to be it's going to be a whole different place than what it is now, I think. I hope. That's the truth. Actually, I know it will be. But, I mean, you never know what could happen. Hey, who knows? I mean, World War III could break out or some crazy shit. So, look. But as for now, everything's looking good. So, let's be happy and cheerful. Yes. Let's do our shout-outs. Look. What do we got here, brothers? Yes, who do we have? Yes, the usual suspects. Yes. Look. Moon landing. See you, brother. Bang. Yeah. Son of a bitch. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yes. Got you, airdropper. Wrong, Kez. Love you, brother. Bang. What we got? Crypto Carlito. Bang, brother. Haven't seen you for a little while. Bang. Good to see you back. Freeman. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Oh, this guy wrote this today. This is funny. He's like, he said, so he quoted me. This was from last night's show. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. This is what I said. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. You will be rich. Yeah, because never in the history of man has the regular guy had the asset that the rich man wants. And then the rich man has to come pay for it. Never. Bang, bang. Quoted by, yes, the greatest show on earth, CB Newswire. So I told him, though, Freeman, whoever you are, and so I thought I'd bring this up because you are a smart guy. I said, you're a smart guy. You picked out the most important part of the whole show. That was the whole that was the most important part. If you listen to that, I hope you're just as good with your investing. Bang! I hope you got that working product, brother. Love you, brother. Bang! So a special shout out to you, Freeman. Bang! You picked out the juiciest part. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. All right. Good work, buddy. Blockchain Stallion. Oh, and she brought up something. Yeah, sweetie. Love you, girl. Bang. See you. And I'm going to show you her thing later. Yes, my brother from Asia. Bang. See you, brother. Benny M, my brother. Bang. He's always sending me good news. Love you, brother. Bang. Oh, and there's Van Berdinen. Look at him sneaking up on me like that. Look, look. Bricks, big drops. Bang, bang. Look, look, brother. Bang. And there he is. Look. Look, look. Van Berdinen. Van Berdinen. Let's see what the market's doing if his mom's going to ask him something today. Let's see. Let's see. Van Berdinen. All right, we're going to leave his mom alone today. She's going to have a little rest over the weekend. Yes, love you, Van Berdinen. Plus, I couldn't think of something funny to say. So, look, got to go on. Look, look, Zoziv. Bang, see you, brother. Kong, what do you got today? Oh, okay, he's back with the car thing. Well, he's always with the car stuff. Yeah, so he's got the front of the car again. Bang, love you, brother Kong. Bitcoin Kong. Bang, love you, brother. Bang. Yes. DP Entertainment, T, brother. Bang. Oh, and he snuck up here. I already did it once, but I got to say it again. Got to love it because I got to love it. Van Bredin. Yes. Bang. Amanda Ames, love you, girl. Bang. Look, look. Crypto Witch. Bang. All right. Yes. Witches and everything. All manner of folk. Look, look. What do we got? Coin Felix. I create AI to trade crypto. Oh, you're a smarty pants. Look, look, Coin Felix. Bang. See you. All right. All right. Here's her thing. So Stallion today, she said, whoops. She said, greatest fucking show in the galaxy, in the multiverse. I've been in the process of moving, trying to hodl and stay informed without the FOMO. She always does these with the sweat thing. I don't know why, what that means. I would be a citizen of Shamari Mining Town, she said. Hi ho, hi ho. It's off to work I go. Yeah, she's a good little worker, bee. She sure is. If not a leader, then an EU green card groom. Green card, love it. I told her, look, of course you'd be a citizen. You'd be the queen, sweetie. Look, look, you'd be the queen of my mining town. And then she put this. Yes. Yes, that's exactly how it would look. Yep, that's it right there. Yes. As I introduce you to the citizenry. Yes, citizens. We have a new queen. Yes. And they would cheer you. And I would have jets fly over. And I'd have them drop paper. And on the paper, there'd be on one side a public key and a private key. And all the citizens would get free Bitcoin. Free Bitcoin for all. As we inaugurate our queen, the stallion. Yes. Yes. That's how it would go down, brothers. Bang. Oh, yeah, I'd make a spectacle of it. Yes. All right. So there we go. There's our queen. Bang, bang. There's our queen. Oh, here's this guy. Let me give him a quick bang. Look, look. Master Barber, bang. But there's our queen, guys. There she is. Yes, the crypto queen. Damn it, she's fine. Look, look, brothers. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang. Yes. Well, guys, we had a great show for you today. Yes, obviously. So, look, Ox announces important updates. Yeah, so great updates, man. Gonna get all that stuff. Yes, yes, good for you guys. So, bang, good for you, Ox. VeChain crossed a milestone. Yes, looks like that the VeChain, VeThor, whatever the fuck Thor, the chain, the blockchain's working nicely. Everyone's scanning their stuff. We saw the guy just scan his wine. Yes. Did you see it? They gave a lot of data on that wine too, right? It wasn't just some little thing. It was like homeboy scrolled through about that wine. We didn't even finish watching the video. So it's cool to just see it in action, right? Like that's why I did it. I mean, yeah, who cares about a QR code? Look, brother, isn't it cool to see the thing you're invested in action? Right? I thought it was cool. So a milestone, because actually, it has a transaction milestone now because, people are scanning their stuff now. It's in use. Working product. Revenue generating product. In use. It's live. Yeah. That's what you got to invest in. Working product. Yes, brothers. Revenue generating product, brothers. And finally, June CME futures numbers. Yes, they hit another record in June, which is good for us. These are cash settled futures, so doesn't help us with the price. Helps with liquidity. But the most important thing is, why I keep bringing up the CME thing is it shows the institutional investor interest and demand. These guys keep breaking record after record after record. Yeah, guys are piling in now. These CME futures have been out since December 2017. Oh, they're fucking piling in this year, though. What are we at? What are we at? End of Q2. Yeah, we're at end of Q2 2019. So it took a few years. Oh, but they know now. They understand now. They see, they're not stupid. Like, I'm a market guy. So, they know the same shit I do. They know that in 2017, that was a retail investor thing. 2018 were a bunch of weak hands running away, right? Soccer mom and dad can't handle that kind of shit. And they're not stupid. They know that they're investor buddies. They're real buddies now. Bang! The institutional boys who aren't weak hands are coming in here. Yeah, when shit goes up this time, it's not going to crash like this again, ever. Like back down to 3,000, all that. Fuck no. These guys aren't weak hands. They're actually going to drive it up. And so, these are the type of people we want here, obviously, Soccer mom and dad, all right, that's all great and everything, but fuck all that, We want the big money in here now to really drive up our prices nicely. We need big money and we need some proper regulation so we can get these our altcoins rising now too. Yeah, your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, they're on the Bloomberg terminal. I just showed you. I just read it to you, and I'm telling you, I've told you this from the beginning of the flipping channel, really. They're the only ones on the Bloomberg terminal, and so, big money guys don't play with anything that's not on the Bloomberg terminal. If you're worthy, like if I'm a hedge fund, I look at the Bloomberg terminal. If you're an asset that is worthy of my investment, you should be on there. If I'm a hedge fund guy, $10 billion, $50 billion guy, and you're not on a Bloomberg terminal, I didn't even look at your shit. It's fugazi to me. That's how it is. That's how it is. And so just so it's great to see that these guys that are Bloomberg terminaled up are jumping into the futures, which tells you that they want in. They want in big time. How do you know I'm going to get rich? Because it's on a Bloomberg terminal, fucker. Believe me, that attracts these institutional investors like flies to shit. So, all right. So, I don't want to end on that note. I want to end on a better note than that. Well, let's end on something else. Okay, but first of all, also, you know what pissed me off this week, though? Let me tell you something. Russia. Remember, Russia was supposed to have their fucking shit. Vladimir said he wanted his fucking crypto. He said he wanted it by July 1st. It's the 6th. Look, Vladimir. You better get your shit in order over there in Russia, brother. So let's leave on this note, brothers. Bang, your futures are here. The money's coming. Bang, Ox is coming. And your VeChains are looking real good and working real well. So look, let's leave it on that note. Let's chill it. Bang, let's kill it. Bang, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Yes. So subscribe below. Press the bell. And when you do, you'll get automatic notifications of this magnificent, great, stupendous show called Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Look. I love doing the show. Love talking money, love talking crypto. It's the favorite time of my day. And so, naturally, yes, I'll be back doing it on Tuesday. So until then, have a great weekend. Enjoy your loved ones. Enjoy everything. Buy some crypto. Buy some crypto. Quickly, hurry. Go now. I love you guys. Bang, it's Shamar Clark. Mo's on duty. Yeah. See you next week. Over and out.